What's going on, everyone? So I would like to show y'all another thing I'm about to be doing that the rat had done. I just haven't had a chance to get around to it, but I'm going to be fixing my KC lights, the wires that was messed up. Right here is where it was kind of chewed straight through, as you can see, like just tore straight through. And so yeah, that's going to be one of the things. That's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be fixing my KC lights, get them working. But before my truck went down, both my KC lights worked. It's just one, the ground wires was kind of dangling, and it worked half of the time. So I'm going to have to fix that on another day. The primary issue right now is just to fix my KC light so I can have extra set of lights. But so let's go ahead and get started on that. First thing I'm gonna have to do, still can't find my tool. There's a special tool to splice wires, so I have to be extra careful with dice. I still can't find them. I know I have some, but for some strange reason I just cannot find it. Maybe the rat grabbed it and just took it off somewhere and used it for a bed. I don't know, but I mean, it is what it is. But I'm about to go ahead and get it right there. I have enough wire, as you can see there's enough, and this actually curves in, but I'm gonna get it about right there, and I'm gonna splice it, and I'm gonna splice that in, and then I'm gonna use this pink butt connector that's in there, and I'm gonna crimp it and then heat shrink it to make sure it's all good. And then once when I'm done, then I'm gonna test it, make sure it works. So it should work. I have trust in myself. I know it'll be okay, it'll work. But so let's get started, and when I have all that done and stuff, then we'll go from there. All right, so I got the wire splice already. It was a clean shoot, spliced it. I was careful with it, not like the other time when I was doing my headlight. I should have been more precise when I did my headlight. But anyway, so I got the wire spliced. Here they are, and now I'm going to connect it. Let's see if I can position this in a way. Okay, so we're going to use the blue one. Let's go ahead and get that set up and ready. This is for I think 16 to 14 gauge, something like that. I can't remember. But go ahead and get it set like so, and then crimp it the best you can. I might have to get a needle nose plier since it's got more pull to it. Oh yeah, heard that. All right, so see if I can crimp them together. All right, now I got them both in there. They're crimped in there. Now it's time to do the heat shrink. Use any kind of lighter. You want to be careful. Don't try to get too close to it. And now it doesn't want to light. Oh, there we go. Just kind of go around, hover around. I just saw a spider. All right. Try to move this wire out the way. So everything's complete. I spliced it, squeezed it, or crimped it, I guess you can say. But the wire still wanted to pull out a little bit, so I just had to leave it in there and use the heat shrink to kind of hold it in place, as you can see. But let's see if my KC lights work. All right. So here we go, walking around to my truck. There's my light switch, and flip it. And look, both my KC lights now work. They're fully functional, and I pieced the wires together. Yes, excuse all the rust. I really got to get that taken care of, but I have KC lights now, so that's a positive. So if you like my videos, please like them, subscribe. Really trying to build my channel up. I'm going to do a lot more automotive stuff as it comes along. I still have to do front brakes on the truck, and so those of you who have been watching my channel and subscribe to me and fully aware of what's been going on with my truck, remember the brake caliper that locked up? Yes, I had to replace the brake pads. They're still functional, good, and they're stopping, but I still have to replace those brake pads. It's just, married with 4 kids, it's kind of hard to find time to do things, but I'm sticking with it. Eventually gonna get this truck jam up, and I still gotta buy a rubber boot for where my slave cylinder is, where the arm is that goes into the throwout bearing. So that's why in my one mud bogging video I haven't really went serious mud bogging yet, because I'm trying to be cautious, because I really don't want mud and water going all up in my transmission, since there's an exposed opening. So I'm trying to prevent that from happening. But my 4-wheel drive works. I fixed that wire in one video that y'all saw. But everything's going good. All the damages that the rats have done to my truck, I'm slowly progressing. I'm slowly getting things fixed here and there, and now I have my KC lights, so that's a plus for me. And now I gotta look through, see what else I gotta do to my truck, but that'll be on another time, on another video. So stay tuned, subscribe, continue to support me. Thank you.